These look what we got, girl. So, girl, if you did not know, girl, Dollar Tree got some new lip products, and y'all know I love a good lip product. I love putting y'all on, girl. So let's get into it. So they got this new Clean Beauty Satin lipstick. Y'all know we don't do lipsticks like that, but 2024 is all about, you know, like stepping outside your comfort zone and trying anything, and that's what we are gonna do. So, oh, okay, okay, Dollar Tree. See y'all trying to have that little metallic. So let's take this because right now I got some. Get that. Okay, bestie, look at Dollar Tree doing their big one. Now, I would not wear this out. I'm just saying, like, I'm not, like, I'm like, be real. I wouldn't wear this out because it's very pigment, and y'all know I'm like a lip gloss and lip oil girl, but bestie, this do gets to 10 out of 10. Now, I feel like this is going to do good with an amazing lip combo, so that's why I would not wear this out, but I know it's going to look cute because, like, this is very pigment, bestie, and for $1.25, girl, this is good, bestie. I give this a 10, I give this a 10 out of 10, like, it's